attention, no problem.
Attention!
Hey, Sophie, wake up. Wake up, Sophie. What are you doing? Would you like some fish? Now it's been a long day. We've been days.
Well, to become a member of the Feline Marine Patrol, you must be strong and fit.
No problem about that. Drum roll, please. So now, how's that first match?
Not bad, but what can you say about that, Dana?
What do you think about that?
Hey, Kai, here can do better than that.
Oh, really?
Okay, come on down here, Kai. Show them what real strength looks like. Another drum roll, please.
That was really good, officer. But you know what, Sophie? That's no problem. Right, Sophie? Okay, what do you mean no? I know you can do that, right? Come on, come over here and show them your amazing liver stand. Go. Hey, you don't have a broken flipper.
So you mean Joseph, no sleeper stand, huh?
Well, you're right now, Bat. Check this out.
Great job there, Kobe. We'll take that one. Very nice. And now we are the Feline Marine Patrol because these guys are South American sea lions, not a seal. Is that going to tell?
Oh, we know. Sea lions have big and powerful tongues.
Have a nice round of applause. Sorry, and of course, thank you, guys. Now, Trainer Joseph.
I'll give you a point. On to the second fish. Very nice. Hey, what are you doing? Do you think you can pull Sophie? And out of the boat, one try. Come on. You can pull Sophie. Nothing. Everybody. Another. See? Very good, Sophie.
Okay?
Alright. You can have your third fish now. Alright, then one more fish to go and we are done.
Kanain na.
Did you eat the last fish? Come here, Sophie. Sophie, did you eat the last fish? No? Hey, what happens to a bad sea lion? Show them. I'm actually we're just kidding. We're going for an animal here at Ocean Adventure. Well, officer, I think you are correct. Sophie, your doesn't have any self-control. It would be best if someone here will demonstrate what self-control really is.
Yes, Joseph, you're absolutely correct. And this time, guys, it's gonna be.
Alright, Sophie, tell me, did you see any filters? No? Good job.